Stop exporting PDFs manually. Think about how many times you do this. File, download, PDF, adjusting the margins, clicking export, choosing the folder. That is 6 clicks every single time. If you do this 10 times a week, you are wasting hours of your life. Today, I will turn this into one click, a custom save button that automatically names, crops, and organizes your files instantly. I am not going to write a single line of code. I have my invoice template on the left and Gemini open on the right. Here is the logic. We need to be specific. We don't just want a PDF, we want a system. I'm pasting this specific prompt. Write a script to save the active sheet as a PDF. Create a folder named Invoices PDF if it doesn't exist. And here's the critical part. Name the file using the exact invoice number found in cell G2. This ensures every file is unique. Hit Enter. Gemini generated the code in seconds. Go ahead and copy it. Now go to Extensions, then App Script. This is the engine room of your spreadsheet. Delete the placeholder code so the editor is completely blank. Paste our new script here. Now, take a moment to name this properly. Do not leave it as untitled. Click on the name and rename it to Invoice Generator version 1. This is important because this name will appear during the security check. Click the Save icon. Before we use the button, we must authorize the script. We will do it right here. Click Run inside the editor. You will see Authorization Required. Select your account. First warning, Google hasn't verified this app. This appears because we haven't published it to the store. Don't worry. Click Advanced, scroll down to the link Go to Invoice Generator on Safe. Now, Google asks for permission to see, edit, create, and delete your files. Since you just created this code, check the box Select All to grant these permissions. Finally, click Continue. The script runs and creates our first test PDF to prove it works. Now the fun part. Go back to your spreadsheet. You need to refresh the page using F5 to load the new menu. Look at the top bar. We now have a custom button, Thunderbolt Admin Tools. Let's use it for real. I click Save Invoice as PDF. Wait 1 second. You get a confirmation, finished. Instant results. Let's check Google Drive. Here is the Invoices PDF folder, created automatically by the script. And inside? Open the file. It is named perfectly, Invoice 2026-001. It even cropped the empty rows because we set the range. No manual renaming, no wrong folders, just pure automation. You just built a custom app in under 5 minutes. I put the prompt in the description. Copy it, paste it, and save your time. Subscribe to Sheets Logic for more AI automation tricks.